Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the network speed indicator on the status bar. So in this device on the status bar you can see I already enabled this network speed indicator on the status bar. So let me show you how to enable this one. For this, go to settings and scroll down. Here you can see the option notification and status bar. Tap on it. Tap on status bar. So here you can see the option real time network speed. We need to turn on this option. Then when you browse anything on your device, then you can see the change. Now let me show you. You can see the change, right? So simply here I am going to here I want to update this one. Now you can see the change, right? So simply in this way you can enable the network speed indicator on the status bar in your device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.